Alright guys, we are going to do a vlog. Some stuff that has already happened that I didn't fully vlog, but I have some clips. Like I went to a wrestling match. Which I really did not know was a stage thing. Like I really thought they were gonna be beating each other up with like nosebleeds and stuff. So it was interesting finding out what wrestling's actually about, like a little pro wrestling match that my friend was in. That was fascinating. And then I also went to a freaking game night. Going to a huge game night at someone's house in Del Mar. Apparently it's like some mansion. I don't even know. But I'm excited. This is my outfit because there is like a pool situation. I did bring a swimsuit, but I don't know if I'm gonna actually get in the pool. I'm more of a land shark, you know? Anyways, let's go. Oh shit. Hello. Oh, whoa. Hello, hello. Hello. I'm loving this. Hi. Is this a hot tub? Yeah. I'm taking a video.
Well, then that's awkward.
Maybe that one, or maybe if you like ricochet. 8 in there.
Or I'm too short at the
Possibilities. So.
I'm saying you're getting carried right now. Yeah. What? Oh, you have full foot scratch. You're chilling. Like, that might have to go in. Oh, I was like,
I'm gonna go see how dive.
that's impossible. Oh, you know what?
You guys, for this one, should I go for that one or this one? No!
Whoa! Taylor.
Game that Dylan brought.
It's me, it's your favorite player, Anna Vigil.
Yo, where's the action?
What's up guys, it's Saturday on July 4th weekend. I'm gearing up to go on a little sailboat in the bay with some friends and actually some people I've never met before. I'm wearing this bathing suit with like a little cover-up thing. Did a workout class this morning and it's so funny because it's just like this huge group of boomer generation and they just have the best time in this class. They're like so chatty. When the teacher asks a question, they'd be like responding real loud and I'm like, I honestly love their generation for that. They just don't give a fuck. It's hilarious. It was literally just me, one other girl my age, and a bunch of boomers. Okay, we added earrings and an S necklace. Where'd the S go? The S be floating away. There's the S necklace. We have a cover up. So this is the overall aesthetic for said boat.
You show like different intoxicants to make you feel alright. Now I'm sitting here holding back tears.
Wow, there's a whole little like cabin.
Little bumpy, ladies.
You gonna go?
put my face in tag. I don't know if anybody will do my Botox after this.
We're gonna like be able to high five. Hi, Greg!
Hi, Greg!
Oh, I love that one. Oh, look at him on the ball. He's so cute. How did he even get up there?
That's what I'm saying. That's some like abs.
Hi, Bubba. Yeah.
Oh, she owns the bow. Done with the boat. So glad the sun came out at the end. It was really freaking relaxing. It flew by. And now we're going to one of my friend's house for a little get together. And this is just the casual outfit. Yeah, I am.
Watermelon Jello. So I had no involvement in making it, but water Jello. I'm definitely gonna be the one.
Slurp it.
Yeah, Tommy. Water jelly.
I'm about to go to a comedy show at American Comedy Club in Gaslamp. I think Katie Thurston, who was the Bachelorette, is like one of the main acts. I'm so excited to see it, but also Jess Ambrose, freaking host of Chatty Brat / Your Mom and Dad podcast. I've been listening since the absolute beginning, like years ago. I feel like I'm like her friend already, and she's also gonna be performing for the first time. And so I'm so excited because we have VIP tickets to meet them after. And I think there's some sort of like thing going on at Sidebar that we can go to and talk to them as well. So I'm gonna make friends with freaking Jess and Katie tonight because I love them both. I'm wearing a red dress from Abercrombie. I have my hair up and I'm ready to freaking rumble. I'm not gonna bring my camera, but I will bring my phone. This is the final look. We got the bag, we got the shoes. Slide. We're ready for the comedy show. Wait, yeah, we look really good together.
I'm gonna be talking. I know too late.
No, I love them so much.
Don't forget to show that.
Okay, sounds good.
I like it. I like this better. Yeah.
About to go brunch and then do some shenanigans. We don't know just what yet, but we'll figure it out. We're going downtown.
I'm so excited.
We just picked up Nikita. We listened to the Vault songs. You like Taylor Swift, Nikita? The sprint to the croissants because we don't know if there's still any left. Because this place is really popular.
They're very
Apparently the croissants here are better than the ones in Paris.
I bet you they're gonna be sold out. Or
Okay, there's gonna be at least one left.
No, not necessarily.
Really?
Last time they didn't have any, and luckily they baked more. Hurry.
Catherine is on the hunt. Okay, no, people have boxes. I think we're fine.
No, but they ordered it to go.
Oh,
They ordered it
no, but you
pickup.
couldn't have.
No, they ordered. I know, but they probably ordered
Oh.
it yesterday because they were smart.
Thank you.
Usually the line is all the way up here.
Really? Not the music.
That free chocolate croissants with Tahitian vanilla nut for you guys?
Yes, thank you. Thank you. We got the fancy couch spot that we've been eyeing the whole time since we've been here.
Yes.
You got the chocolate croissant. I got the vanilla bean one.
It's not chocolatey.
It's so soft. Wait, is it really? Nice. Izola, guys.
10 out of 10.
But they sell out, so come early. A Jolly Rancher.
It has sparkles in it.
Do you like yours, Nikita?
I am a fan.
The glitter juice.
The glitter juice.
The Jolly Rancher from Jai Juice.
Let's see if it lives up to the name. Oh yeah, that's really
Really?
good.
Does it actually taste like a Jolly Rancher?
It's just really fruity.
Oh,
I like it.
The Barbie drink of the summer.
Yes.
Yeah, wait.
This is exactly like what I wanted.
This is also exactly what I was craving. So mine has almond butter in it, which I like. It's like kind of peanut buttery. Whoa. Yours is kind of bitter. Or maybe mine's just sweet. Yeah, we'll do a swap. We'll do a little.
The merry-go-round of drinks.
We're not sick. None of us are sick.
This is almond butter.
I really like that one. That one's the most refreshing.
I do, yeah, yours is the most refreshing.
Ooh,
Which one was that?
I like this
mine.
too.
I like
Yeah. This is the tropics.
Probably gets a lot of people looking at him. Hi, Daddy. Look at his tail.
And his tail's wagging.
Just came back from an intense workout, hence why I am red. But about to go to Kate's sessions with the homies and do some painting. Never done this before, but I'm excited because I'm actually a really good painter. Low key, high key, mid key, every key. But the thing is, I usually like to paint when I have an image that I'm looking at. I can like recreate it really well. I'm not so good at like doing things off the top of my head. I don't know what that says about me, but if there's an image, like literally put the Mona Lisa in front of me, I can recreate to the T, but I don't like to come up with things by myself. So we'll see what I decide to paint tonight, but I'm excited. Let's go. How often do you paint?
No, like literally it's been like a year. Can you take photos of me on this?
Oh my god, I have paint on me.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. I hope you have a great day, great week, and I will see you in the next one.
How much was it?
Sunscreen that looks like whipped cream. It's like a testing product. It smells so good.
I would eat this.
Oh, that smells amazing. Wow.